earn. Do you know even how little we earn this month? It's not even a 90 of our yes, exactly. I have already noticed that since our competitors open, we're getting good. Oh yeah, because they offer more cheaper products and more choices. We might lose our income if we that's what I'm worried about. If we lose our revenue, how we will cover our expenses? How we will provide our needs? That's right. Should think some more strategies to attract customers. Maybe a big discount or installment with a low interest. Oh, that's a good idea. We need to think it carefully. Losing revenue is a big risk to our business. We need to be prepared. Miss, I see what's in it feels like having our dream. Yeah, I noticed that. I've been saving for so long, but I haven't done it so it's so disappointing. Exactly. It feels like our money are just sitting there, unused. I thought our savings would go more for our future plans. It seems our money is invaluable as interest. This is English, isn't it? You think your money is growing, but the interest is minimal. Right, maybe we should research other investment options. There might be something with a higher return. I don't want our money stuck with low interest. That's a good idea. Investing well works will keep our money to chance to grow. We need to study this so our savings won't be wasted. Yes, so we can achieve our dreams faster. It's better if we earn more from our savings.
Seriously, my credit card maintenance fee this month is crazy high. I feel the bank is ripping me off.
I thought the system was wrong. But no, it's real. The charges are huge.
Right, and I barely use my card. My maintenance fee is way more than what I actually spend. So annoying.
Totally, I didn't even get much of their benefits. Plus, the interest is killer if you even own the money.
For real, I'm thinking of switching banks. Their charges are so insane. It sucks when they suddenly up for no reason.
Exactly, it's like you suddenly lost money because of unexpected charges. We should compare fees for another bank.
Good idea. Let's find a bank with better value and lower maintenance fee. I don't want another surprise like this.
Lise, did you hear the gossip? A lot of people are saying that you're taking extra money from the barangay projects.
What? Come on, Joyce. Where did you hear that? That's terrible. I've been serving the barangay for so long and they're saying this?
You know how quickly gossip spreads, especially now with social media. It's a big risk to your reputation. People might not trust you anymore.
Yes, Joyce. I'm thinking about that too. It's hard to explain. How can I say I'm not doing anything wrong? That everything I do is for the good of the barangay?
You need to act quickly, Mise. Talk to the people spreading the gossip. You can also ask the barangay captain for help to fix the situation. You need to show them that you are telling the truth.
You're right. I need to do that. It's hard to lose people trust. I work so hard to build my reputation. I don't want to ruin it by gossip.
This is too much. Our price tag has dropped. Even our reputation has gone. Ma'am, we need to take an action. Our damage control plan, we need to implement it immediately. Miss Angel, what are the results? Ma'am, there's a lot of negative comments. Many customers are saying we will not be able to. Some are threatening to file against us. To fix this as soon as possible. Miss Marianne, what is the status? Mom, we will reach the patch, but it seems like it's too late. A lot of malware already been promoted.
Miss Marianne, we'll talk about technical details. Miss Angel, what's our plan to address dyan, no?
The negative publicity.
We need a stronger campaign. We need a transparency. We need a
How are we going to do it? We have not ever captured the public. Ma'am Arce, may I have your idea regarding it?
I guess, ma'am, we need to offer conflict solutions. Maybe a credit monitoring service for affected workers. It will help to rebuild the trust, right? But first, we have to explain that we should have audit policy. We need to show that we're taking responsibility in making balance.
That's a good idea. We need to rebuild the trust step by step.
I guess we also need to proactively respond to customer concerns and social activities. We get involved.
Yes, I will also inform all employees and talk to our partners regarding that.
I agree. We will show empathy and other stakeholders directly.
Okay, let's do everything we can. This is our chance to prove that we can recover conflict. And I will going to explain and report to the team.
Yes, we will do our best to fix the situation. Thank you for your cooperation.